The future is an exciting and mysterious place, full of possibilities and potential. With advancements in technology happening at an unprecedented rate, it's impossible to predict exactly what the future will hold. However, there are certain concepts and technologies that have the potential to have a significant impact on our lives in the years to come. From self-driving cars to smart cities, from virtual reality to bioprinting, these concepts offer a glimpse into the future that is both exciting and full of possibilities. Let's now see some of the coolest future concepts. Number 1. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are one of the most talked about concepts of the future. These vehicles will be able to navigate roads and traffic on their own, using advanced sensors and cameras to detect and respond to obstacles. This will not only make driving safer, but also more convenient and efficient. Imagine being able to sit back, relax, and let the car do all the work while you commute to work or run errands. Self-driving cars have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about transportation, and even lead to fewer cars on the road, less congestion, and improved air quality. Number 2. Smart cities. Smart cities are another concept that will have a big impact on the future. These cities will use advanced technology to optimize everything from transportation and energy use to public services and safety. For example, they might use sensors to monitor traffic flow and adjust traffic lights accordingly, or use renewable energy sources to power buildings and streetlights. Smart cities will be able to adapt and respond to the needs of their citizens in real time, making them more efficient, sustainable, and livable. Number 3. Virtual reality. Virtual reality, VR, is becoming more and more advanced, and soon will be able to provide fully immersive experiences. In the future, VR will be used for everything from entertainment and education to therapy and training. It will also be used to explore and experience places and things that are otherwise impossible to see in real life. From visiting ancient ruins to traveling to other planets, virtual reality has the power to transport us anywhere in the world. Number 4. Augmented reality. Augmented reality, AR, is a concept that overlays digital information into the real world. This technology will be used in a variety of ways, such as providing information about a building or landmark as you walk by it, or allowing you to see what furniture would look like in your home before you buy it. Augmented reality has the potential to make our lives more convenient by providing us with information and context when we need it most. Another important application of AR is in the field of education, where it can be used to create interactive learning experiences and simulations. In addition, AR can also be used in the field of entertainment, where it can be used to create immersive gaming experiences and virtual tours. Number 5. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a concept that has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about computing. These computers will be able to perform complex calculations much faster than traditional computers, and will be able to process massive amounts of data in a fraction of the time. Quantum computing will make it possible to solve problems that are currently unsolvable, such as breaking encryption codes and simulating complex chemical reactions. Another important application of quantum computing is cryptography. Currently, the most secure encryption methods used to protect sensitive information rely on the fact that certain mathematical problems, such as factoring large numbers, are computationally infeasible to solve. However, a large-scale quantum computer would have the ability to solve these problems, rendering current encryption methods obsolete. Number 6. Bioprinting. Bioprinting is a concept that will allow scientists and doctors to create living tissue and organs using 3D printers. This technology will be used to grow replacement parts for the human body, such as skin, bones, and even entire organs. Bioprinting has the potential to revolutionize the field of medicine, making it possible to create replacement organs for those who need them, and reducing the reliance on organ donors. Number 7. Brain-computer interfaces. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, are a concept that will allow us to communicate directly with computers using our thoughts. This technology will be used to control prosthetic limbs, operate machinery, and even control entire buildings. Brain-computer interfaces have the potential to make our lives more convenient, by allowing us to control machines and devices with our thoughts rather than with our hands. In the field of human-computer interaction, BCIs have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology by allowing us to control devices with our thoughts rather than our hands. This could have implications for gaming, virtual reality, and other forms of entertainment, as well as for more practical applications such as controlling vehicles or operating heavy machinery. Number 8. Drones. Drones are becoming increasingly popular and will play a big role in the future. They will be used for everything from delivering packages and inspecting buildings to conducting search and rescue operations and surveying land. Drones have the potential to make many tasks faster, easier, and safer, as they can reach places that are difficult or impossible for humans to access. They can also be equipped with cameras, sensors, and other technologies that can be used for various applications, such as aerial photography, monitoring, and surveillance, and even delivery of medical supplies in remote areas. Number 9. Solar power. Solar power is a concept that will become more and more important in the future. As fossil fuels become scarce and the effects of climate change become more severe, solar power will be one of the main sources of energy. It's a renewable, clean, and sustainable source of energy that can be used to power homes, buildings, and even entire communities. With the advancements in solar technology and the decreasing costs, it's becoming more and more accessible for people to install solar panels and generate their own electricity. Number 10. 3D printing. 3D printing is a concept that will change the way we think about manufacturing. This technology will allow us to create complex and custom-made objects quickly and easily, and will also make it possible to create replacement parts for machines and appliances. 3D printing has the potential to revolutionize the way we produce goods, making it possible to create products on demand, reducing waste and transportation costs. Another important application of 3D printing is in the field of medicine, where it can be used to create prosthetic limbs, implants, and even replacement organs. In addition, 3D printing can also be used in the field of aerospace and automobile to produce parts for aircrafts and cars, reducing the weight and increasing the efficiency of the vehicles. 3D printing is also being used in the field of architecture and construction, where it can be used to create full-scale models and even print entire buildings. In addition, 3D printing can also be used in the field of education, where it can be used to create models and prototypes for students to learn from. Number 11. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is a concept that will allow us to manipulate living organisms to creating new products and materials. This technology will be used to create new drugs, foods, and materials, as well as to improve crop yields and protect endangered species. Biotechnology has the potential to revolutionize many industries, from agriculture to healthcare, by making it possible to create new products and solutions that were previously impossible. Number 12. Smart homes. Smart homes are a concept that will change the way we live. These homes will be equipped with sensors and devices that will allow us to control everything from the temperature and lighting to the security and entertainment systems. This will make our homes more comfortable, efficient, and secure. Smart homes will allow us to monitor our home remotely and automate tasks such as controlling the temperature, lighting, and security cameras. With the ability to control and monitor various systems remotely, homeowners can save time and energy by automating tasks and making adjustments without having to physically be present in the home. Additionally, the integration of smart home technology can also result in energy savings, as systems such as lighting and heating can be programmed to be more energy efficient. Another important aspect is security. Smart homes can provide an extra layer of security through smart door locks and cameras that can be accessed remotely and can alert homeowners to any unusual activity. Smart homes can also provide peace of mind by allowing homeowners to monitor their homes remotely, even when they are away. These 12 concepts of the future are just a glimpse of what is possible with the advancements in technology. They have the potential to revolutionize the way we move, live, communicate, and interact with the world, making our lives more convenient, efficient, and sustainable. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we can expect even more amazing innovations in the years to come. The future is here, and it's looking brighter than ever. This is it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and also hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future updates. See you in the following video.